Hey folks, it's Coby with CobyWright.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the branding tool for the 5 Secret Traffic Sources software. Now, it's pretty straightforward. It really couldn't be any easier. As you can see on the screen, it's got all of the sections that are rebrandable, and then it's also got the default values in there. So if you don't change anything and you just hit brand, then all of my information will go in there. So obviously you want to go in here, and you can leave the product name and headline the same if you want, but you're going to definitely want to change this part right here, which is your ClickBank ID. You're going to want to change, you don't have to change the text necessarily, but you're going to want to change at least the URL on the brandable button. You're going to want to change the footer text to put your name in here or some other text in here. Maybe you could put a link to your help support desk or something. I'm sorry, the text would be here. You would say click here to get support, and then you would put your URL to your support desk here, or your blog, or whatever you want, depending on the text that you put here. And then the coolest aspect, the part where you're going to use to build your list, if you decide to do so, you don't have to, but I highly recommend that you do, is over here in the registration settings. Click that and click reg code needed, and then you'd put a code in here. You can put anything you want. Whatever. I'm just messing stuff here. And then your registration URL here. This could be a squeeze page, this can be a sales page, this can be a CPA offer, any URL that you want, as long as it has a way to generate a code based on an action. So if they opt in, then you can email them this code that you put in here, the 123 ABC 123, and you can use it without dashes, whatever. I suggest keeping it simple because you may have to remember it, so just whatever you need to do. And then the URL, if they opt into your squeeze page, then you can send them the registration code either on the thank you page or through their email. If they purchase it, then you can, if you're selling the software, then you can give them the registration code same way, either on the thank you download page or through email. If you're doing CPA offers, then you can set it. There are ways to set it up that once there's a conversion that they get a code. What I would do if you're using with CPA is I would add them to my own list first, and then using your own autoresponder, redirect them to the CPA offer, and then send them the registration code through their email. So you can still maybe get your paper lead or whatever through your CPA offer. They'll still get the registration code, and you also get the lead. But again, this isn't even necessary. You can just unclick it if you don't want it. Click done, and then you just simply hit brand, and boom, just like that, it says branding is complete, and it'll rebrand it right into the folder where you've already got it. So it's that simple. Simply scroll down below to download the software. If you're watching this on YouTube or another website, there should be a link below the video for you to download the software. Again, this is Coby with CobyWright.com, signing off.